Hello. So, one question people may ask themselves is, how do you make fruit salad? Fruit salad is very easy to make. So, all the ingredients you need are a banana, an apple, grapes, a kiwi, and that's basically it. You don't even need a kiwi, a grape, apple, or banana. You can just have one fruit. Actually, not. You can have two fruits, which don't have to be any of them. It can be anything else, and you can make fruit salad from that. So it's a very convenient food to make, and and which has a wide variety of ingredients. Um, Now there's a thing with this. So for the fruit salad, in the end, you usually combine it with either and one of these, or you mix two of these. So usually you go with this, but maybe which is just not normal yogurt. If you don't have normal yogurt, you may use just different yogurt, which is a bit sweeter and stuff, or you may just put honey in it. Um, if you want to, you can even mix this and this, or this and this, or this and this if you feel like that. Um, and to make that fruit salad, you will need a cutting board. A cutting board. Yeah, a cutting board. Crazy. And then you need a knife. I'm not sure which one I should use. I think this one would do, but I think that might be for bread. And the other one, I think that I could use is this. I'm not sure which which one I'm supposed to do, so I'll just have to try. I'm just gonna use uh, this one and cut the fruits. So now we need to cut the banana. I'm not sure if I should cut it like this, like with the peel on, or if I should take it off. I think I'm gonna take it off actually. I need to hurry up. I only have 12 minutes to make this video because I'm gonna run out of space. Or I keep having to delete videos and stuff, and I just delete so much stuff. But I don't know, for some reason I only have 12 minutes. Usually I have like 30 minutes available, which is a bit annoying. But yeah. So you just cut. It's pretty easy to cut a banana. You probably can use a butter knife for that. So that's your banana. Now using, oh, also you need to wash an apple. That's very important. So, so here we go. We're gonna wash an apple. Um, use the filter. All right. So you wash the apple. Also, sorry. This is I just attempt before I made stirred egg and the recording vanished for some reason. So this is the aftermath. Now we're gonna get to the cutting part of the apple. I just, oh god, was on the camera? Oh no, I hope I wasn't on the camera. Um, okay, I was hoping to find a cutting thing for the apple, but I guess I have to do it the adult way. I'm not very good at cutting things, even if I cut a banana so fast, like a 5-star cook, which I am. So this is the apple. I have to cut it again. Alright, so that's very well done. Nice. Oh, I spilled a bit of apple over the floor. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this part because it's not too interesting. So here we go. I've cut the apple in parts, and now very obviously like a 5-star cook, like any 5-star cook would do. Now, another important part is to wash these grapes. Because you got to wash these things because that's very important. And so I'm gonna show you how I wash these things as proof and to be looked up to, because not many people wash their stuff and you need to wash your stuff. Bit ironic because I haven't washed my old cooking yet. I should probably do that. Anyway, setting this up again. Grapes over here. Alright. Yep. So this is very simple. You don't need to cut them. You can cut them, but I can't be asked to cut them because I'm lazy. Every 5-star cook is lazy. Yeah, that's true. Very true, because I am 5-star cook. So I'm a source. I'm not gonna use all the grapes, because that would be a waste, and I don't need that many grapes. That too many grapes. I'm just gonna use these and put the others back in the fridge because that's where they belong. When they're not getting eaten. Alright, just gonna put them back in the fridge. So now we go to the kiwi part, and I'm not gonna cut this, and I'm not gonna eat this because I don't know how to cut a kiwi. Yeah, this may be a bit of a problem because I'm gonna only have 3 fruits in my food, unless I peel a mandarin, but I'm too lazy to do that, like a 5-star cook. And yeah, so no kiwis, and my fruit salad is halfway done. Now the next part is getting a bowl. So you can use a small one. You can use a bigger one. I'm gonna use a bigger one because I'm not sure if this stuff would fit in the smaller one. So I think, yeah. So first we're gonna just put these fruits in the bowl. So just a thing, just a tip. Don't put all the bananas in there first, and then all the apples, and then all the grapes and stuff. Try to mix it up a bit, so 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 grape, or something like that. Because that will make it a bit or give it a bit more variety when you eat it, and it's just better than just eating apples with yogurt and then banana with yogurt and stuff. You can mix it with a spoon afterwards as well if you want. So now I'm gonna add the yogurt. So I'm gonna put the yogurt into the bowl to make fruit salad. That should be enough. Now I'm gonna add honey. So now I'm gonna add honey. It's a bit hard to get out. Sorry for the bad camera. Alright. Yeah, this takes a while. Alright, so I'll just do that quickly. So now that you're done with putting the honey into the bowl, you gotta first put away all the stuff that you used. I'm just gonna, this is by the way how I set up my camera. Pretty simple. Also, always put your trash in the rubbish. Don't just leave it around, because that stinks and it's disgusting. And also people don't like seeing that. And always clean your kitchen and other things. Alright, that should do. Yep. So here we go. I'll take a spoon. Yeah, for this you can use a big spoon because the fruits are quite big, and you wanna eat it. You don't want to take too long eating this. even though you have enough, even though you can take your time because it's cold food. Obviously. I mean, it just would take too long. It would be boring to eat so long. So you just mix it like this. It doesn't look too good. Like it doesn't look like a one-star restaurant or something where they make like the food nice for you. No, this is a 5-star chef where you make the food to make taste it so it tastes good, you know. And food in large quantities. That's what every 5-star chef actually does. So yeah. Also, I have like so many gold and silver plates in my restaurant and my kitchen, which I can't show right now because they're being cleaned. So, oh my god, the wind! I just got so scared. So, okay. So that's the fruit salad. Obviously, like every 5-star chef, you gotta eat the food here at the table. Not this exact table. I mean, like at your table, at a table. And so now, see, I'm gonna taste the food, and let's see. Does it taste good? Alright, that's just an apple. Alright, I think this has a bit of everything. Croissant. This food tastes so good. Like every French chef says. So, so yeah. See.